Hi friends, I don't know if you can hear that in the background, but that is my air conditioner running. It is seriously about 1,000 degrees outside, and so even though I thought I was successfully keeping the house relatively cool without using the air conditioner, my wife asked me to turn it on. No big deal. Set it up, programmed it, had it going, and it was running for a long time. It wasn't turning off, and I wasn't noticing the house getting any cooler. And so I went upstairs and checked everything, and we just weren't getting good airflow, and I'm like, oh my goodness, now what? And so, boom, I came down here and I got on YouTube, and I decided I was going to learn how air conditioners work so that I could fix mine, because I didn't want to spend a ton of money. Well, I figured out very quickly my problem, and I'm going to tell you because it'll save you possibly a ton of time and a ton of aggravation, because it's the most simple fix ever. I was looking at issues with the outside air intake being blocked, and then I realized, wait a minute, I don't remember ever removing my air conditioner cover. That, my friends, was the problem. I never removed the tarp that I had over my outside air conditioner unit. So friends, before you worry about turning on your air conditioner, make sure you go out and check the unit. Make sure that there's no cottonwood stuff inside it. The chipmunks haven't built nests and stuff like that. But also make sure you're not an idiot like I am, and take the cover off first. It'll save you a lot of annoyance. I hope you don't have to make this mistake like I did. All right, thanks guys. Jeez.